It's maple syrup time here on the homestead, and me and Dad here are tapping the trees to get the sap. Hey, tap, sap, tap, sap. That could be a rap. Oh.
Pretty clean. Yep.
Well, after that spile that Dad just hammered into the tree, he's going to go in and grab his hook right there. And he's got his bucket and his lid. Now, Dad has been tapping trees for, I don't know, 100 years, but we always managed to do this. Oh, you should have put that in before you hammered it, or you put it in.
Why? I probably should have, huh? Okay, quit filming. I think I might have went too deep on my first one. Ready.
That's all there is to it. I think in all we tapped 10 trees. We had some in our back wooded area, which you're going to see here in a little bit. We had 2 in the front, 3 where the goats are, and I think 3 where the chickens were. I don't know. But anyway, it was a lot of trees. And now we're putting some up in the chicken coop area. And, you know, I don't know what kind of conversation we're having here. Like, I'm going to put one over on this tree. Oh, yeah? You're going to do that one? Well, let me guess. I think, oh, I got another bucket here. You know what? I think I'll just, you said you're going to put one over there. I'm going to put one over here. Yeah. All right, let's do it. The goats, of course, were no help, although they never help. They're just goats. They just sit there and they stare, and they chew on grass, and they poop. Hey, Xena. We had to lock her out. She was all up in our business. There's Dad demonstrating the correct way of putting those in. You notice the hook is on the inside of that before he puts that spile into the tree. And then the bucket easily just slides onto that hook, but before that we put the lid on. Those little wire things are a pain to put in because they're all bendy, especially after years of use. And like I said before, there's the bucket right there on top.
Okay.
Yep.
These are a lot different than the other ones. I think we got those taps from Amazon. Just drilled a hole in the top of the lid of the water jug. We've got 7 of those out here.
Oh, we got some trash too.
Yeah, I think that came from
the
who
neighbors.
knows.
From all that wind. So how many gallons have you boiled down?
I think we've done like 30. We've got 9 more to go. And this one should be finished in a couple hours. And I'll strain it.
It is now maple syrup.